Hello, this is Mark from Mokena Lot Cleaners, and in this video I'm doing a demonstration you can see with my grabber tool and bag, and I'm going to demonstrate how long it takes to clean up common types of litter just from one concentrated area here. This is probably the most common combination used by a litter cleaning service. So you can see I'm kind of struggling with a bottle, and that is something that you'll commonly see. And so we have a variety of objects there. It's a couple cigarette butts, a milk jug, gum pack, and candy bar wrapper. Okay, so you can see I'm not really dogging it. I'm moving at a fairly aggressive pace to pick all this up. All right, 47 seconds. This will be our second method. Another commonly used combination is the shortened broom with a dustpan. And so these will slide in there pretty nicely. Doesn't work the best on landscaping or on grass. And you can see stuff starts to blow out of there already because it doesn't hold that much. However, on a flat surface, on sidewalks, on a parking lot, not too bad, but I would already have to go and dump this in the dumpster. And something that size, probably going to take 5-6 trips. Okay, and then here's the last one, 8 seconds. This is the tool that at Mokena Lot Cleaners, this is the combination that we have found over many hours of experience is easily the fastest. It's going to get the most litter. It's going to work on the landscaped areas. It's going to work on the grass. It's also going to work on the pavement. You can see how much room I have in that bag. Bottle fits in there, the milk jug fits in there, and I still have a lot of room to go. I could continue cleaning the lot and probably get an entire parking lot into that bag. So thank you for watching this. We'd love to help save you some money. And here is our contact information.